is Unique and we are back with another bomb video for you guys. Today we're gonna be doing a hair tutorial. We're going to be doing some butterfly locks. This is gonna be my first time doing this.
Okay.
So I'm excited, just like you are. Make sure you guys stay tuned. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right down there in the little corner. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into the intro, baby. No long talking, so we're gonna hop right into this video. Y'all know how we do over here in this channel. So next clip. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I create this style. Like I said, this is my first time doing it. Make sure you guys pay close attention to everything that I do, and I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm excited. Yes. Bam.
Okay, so let's get straight into it. So I already prepped her hair off camera. I started off by putting her hair in some single braids. I braided about 2 inches down her natural hair and then twisted the end so it'll be easier for her to take it out when it's time. Now I'm gonna put it up into a ponytail and just leave out the braids that I want to start off with. I used about 2.5 packs of the Ghana Spring Twist hair in 10 inches. This is how it looks, and this is how it looks when I separate it, or fluff it out as some may call it. So now I am going to measure where I want the lock to stop. Once I find out the length, I then start to wrap the hair around the base or the root of the braid. Now when you're doing this, make sure you take your time, you separate the hair on top so that it is flat and not lumpy, and you take your time. Make sure you wrap tightly because it will slip if it's not wrapped tightly. Then I take a small piece and I put it over my thumb. Then I wrap above my thumb, as you see here. And then I pull my thumb out and then I continue to wrap. And that is how you create a butterfly loop in your lock. And you want to continue doing this all the way down the lock. And that is how you create your butterfly lock. Isn't that so interesting? I know, right? The process is very repetitive all the way through, but I'm just going to speed this up and then show you how to end the lock. Right here, I was just asking my client if she was comfortable with the length that I had chosen or if she wants it longer. She did tell me just a little bit longer, so I ended up just adjusting the lock's length to her satisfaction. Okay, so to end the butterfly lock, I basically just take the excess hair and I wrap it upwards, still creating loops as I go up, and I continually wrap and loop and loop and loop and wrap and loop and wrap and loop and loop and loop, wrap and wrap and loop. And then I tie a small knot just to make sure that it is secure and it will not unravel. And that extra hair, I just wrap it around the base until there is no more hair left. And that is how I end my butterfly lock. Now you know me and you know you, and we don't like to sit and watch a video and not get to the end, because what is the point? We are not going to be sitting here for a whole 10 minutes not entertained, just trying to figure out how we do this. So baby, we are going to fast forward into the future, because who got the time to sit and watch a 20-minute to an hour-long video of someone doing hair? Not me, and I definitely know it's not you, because I can tell by my data in this here YouTube app. I can see what y'all like and what y'all don't like. So baby, we're gonna speed this up. Yeah. Y'all, I wasn't even finished with her hair, but I was like, let me just make a TikTok real quick, because I know that this was about to be a bomb hairstyle. You feel me? Back to work. From here on out, I'm going to be doing very little voiceovering, because I want you guys to actually just watch me work and just see how this style looks and how it's coming along, like a timeline basically. It's going to be very interesting. I will do inserts here and there, but be mindful that I will not be doing a full voiceover for this video. Just wanted to say to those of you that are watching my video, if you are, a loyal subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for supporting me. I know my channel is small, but each person on here counts, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Here you see me using the crochet hook to insert one strand of the spring twist hair. I am only doing this in the front section because I know people like to wear ponytails, and being that I'm just wrapping the hair alone and there's no extra security for slippage, I want to make sure that when I wrap the hair around the front, it does not slip, because the braids in the front are not as thick as the ones in the back. Now, I could have done this for the whole head, but I decided not to, since the back of her hair was a lot thicker and could hold the hair. So if she does decide to wear it in a ponytail, this crochet method will ensure extra security and no slippage. And also, this style is tension free. As you've seen me do before, I am taking another strand, I am just fluffing it out, and then I am going to wrap it on top of the lock. Right now I am just elongating the front so that it matches the length in the back. And I'm going to go ahead and put the smaller end down on the braid and then wrap. Right here in this clip, I am just fixing her edges. Once I do that, I then wrap it with some hairstyling wrapping paper. I don't know what it's called, but the black strip thing. So I wrap it with that, and then I go ahead and mousse and spritz her hair with some got2b spray just to keep the flyaways at bay. After applying the mousse, I then go in with my blow dryer just to make sure that I get everything in there, period. Now, before we get to the results, make sure you guys like this video, leave a comment down below in the comment section for your girl. And without further ado, let's get into it. And here is the moment that we've all been waiting for, the final results. Like, guys, this came out so wonderfully. She loved it. Oh my god, I gotta insert a client photo because y'all, when I tell you she killed this style, she killed this style. It is so pretty. It came out just the way she liked it. So I'm so happy for that. Thank you for watching.